This week's featured installation by Penrith Solar Centre is in Kurrajong Heights, New South Wales. The crew from Yellow Truck, featuring CEC accredited electrician Liam and his team of Rory and Sam. This is a 2-day installation. Day 1, the team completed the solar installation and fire-rated wall lining. Day 2, the crew will be doing the cable run and battery installation. This project includes 27 Trina solar panels spread across 3 roof faces and 3 Enphase IQ5P batteries. Let's pick up the action on day 2 with the crew mounting the battery brackets.
Backup and non-backup loads, and also does our batteries, and then we'll do our solar as well. Oh yeah. Go back, pull that.
So, what we'll do, in the forward cable, we'll just run it underneath for now, run it all the way along the wall, and then what we'll do, we'll get some saddles, and we'll just saddle it to the top of that. Yep. Just to keep it up nice and high, or even to this. Yep. But if we do it to this, we might have to put a saddle and then a cable tie, so you're not going to have these big loops. Yep. So we'll run it all the way down until you get to the point where you go left, and then we'll go left on the same beam. Yep. Same kind of this one. Yeah. And then on back on the, or back up. Yeah, it'll go back up. I'm going to go over there. I'm going to drill another hole like this. Yep. And then we're just going to push it up there, or I'll feed it come down. Alright. Yeah. You can probably just pull that as you go, because he's going to be feeding it for you anyway. Yeah. So just put it up on there somewhere it's not going to slide, and then just pull it that way. Alright. Yeah. And just with those black hot water, go underneath him. Okay. Go over the top.
You can crawl from where he is to you. Yeah. But you have to go in 3 meters. Yeah. Yeah, just go in 3 meters.
Alright, sweet. Getting dirty. Getting dirty. Look at that, perfect slot.
Got any more slack there, bro?
Are you feeding that?
Yeah, I'll feed it.
No, you're doing. Is that it?
No. Try now.
Wait, 1 sec.
Living the dream, Rory.
Yeah, living the dream. Playing in the dirt. Oh, actually, that's the bottom plate. That's the bottom plate, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just get that on the angle a bit.
Yeah, that's sweet. Alright, well we'll pull so we have enough cable. Good enough. Depends on where we do the isolators. Give us a little bit more. That'll get us out of trouble. Yeah.
That's basically it.
That's perfect.
We'll need to pull a little bit more to push it into the corners. So
what I will do is start tying from here. To Sam. Yeah. We'll start tying from here and I'll leave it on the drum, and if you need more slack or pull it out, we'll pull it back my way. Yeah. Me and Rory will get our cables in for here and do all this here. Come over to where Rory is if you can get over there. I'll get you your saddle, screws and stuff like that, and I'll get you the saddle and do what we need.